The EU referendum result must be appreciated and accepted by all people of all political persuasions. The British people took a decision, and now we must follow that decision and that instruction. My focus, the Cabinet's focus, the administration's focus every single day will be on Telford and Wrekin, making sure that Telford and Wrekin is a green space, a clean space and a happy place, a place where people can come to invest in our borough, to create jobs, and we'll ensure that we keep to our priorities, getting funding from external agencies and government, fighting for fair funding, and also making sure that the retention of the PRH Accident and Emergency Department is the centre of all that we do. Telford and Wrekin Council have secured a multi-million-pound grant from government to see the improvement of the footbridge linking the town centre to the train station. It's clear, isn't it, that if you are in a wheelchair or you're in a pushchair or you visit that station at night time, it's not a nice place to be. And this is about improving the bridge, improving accessibility and improving the gateway to our town centre. Over the last few days, we've unveiled really exciting plans to create a true green space, a green square. I think it's exceptionally important that residents understand that the green space behind us is actually nothing more than a layer of thin grass seed. Actually, that's the site that the council offices were going to be on, a 5-storey building overlooking the lake. Clearly, in 2011, we took the decision to scrap the council office plan, and now we have the space behind us. That will be the link, the gateway link between the Southwater development and the park. And I'd ask that residents log on and give us their views in our consultation that we're currently running. Well, now it seems inevitable that there will be one A&E for the whole of the county, with Shropshire CCG's decision last week to endorse that plan. We've been clear, we want 2 A&Es for Shropshire. However, if there must be one A&E, then we believe that site should be in Telford, with the quickest site to deliver, with the fastest site to deliver, and with the retention of the Women and Children's unit. It is clinically the safest site to deliver. It's critical for businesses in Telford and Wrekin, it's critical for residents of Telford and Wrekin, and also, importantly, it's critical for children of Telford and Wrekin that we have and we keep that Women's and Children's unit, and it will be criminal to degrade that site. And if there's any suggestion that Telford should be a guinea pig by divorcing A&E from the Women's and Children's unit, then we will take very serious action to prevent that from happening.